Hello, dear students. Good evening. Today, in this video, I would like to teach you about kinds of adjective. What is adjective? An adjective is a word which qualifies a noun or pronoun. It is used with noun or pronoun and tell something about it. Adjectives are divided into four kinds. Number one, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. It refers the quality or kind of a person or things. As for example, I like sweet grapes. The word sweet in this sentence is an adjective of quality. Right? Number two, he is a handsome person. Handsome person. The word handsome is an adjective of quality. I like sweet. We sat under a high tree. We sat under a high tree. The word high, it is an adjective. This is a good pen. The word good is an adjective of quality, sorry. The parrot is green bird. The parrot is a green bird. The word green is an adjective. I want to drink cold water. The word cold is an adjective of quality. She got poor marks in English. The word poor, it is an adjective of quality. Right? Now the second kind, adjective of quantity. It indicates how much of things is referred to. As for example, I need some sugar. Some. The word some in this sentence is adjective of quantity. Example number two. There is a much milk in the cup. The word much is an adjective of quantity. He has spent all his money. He has spent all his money. The word all is an adjective. There was a heavy rain yesterday. There was a heavy rain yesterday. The word heavy, it is an adjective. Now, the kind adjective of number. Number three, adjective of number. It tells us how many things or person are referred to. As for example, he has some apples. The word some is adjective of number. I have 10 books. The word 10, it is an adjective of number. I have done all work. I have done all work. The word all is an adjective of number also. He, wo- he won the first prize. The word first is adjective of number. Right? Now, one more example. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, and four. Make 10. The word one, two, three, four, all these are adjective of number. Now the next. Now always remember that some adjective may be used as an adjective of quantity as well as adjective of number. As for example, he is eating some rice. The word some, it is it is adjective of quantity as well as it is adjective of number. There are two boys. The word two, it is adjective of quantity and adjective of number also. There are many pictures in this book. The word many you can use as well as a quantity, adjective of quantity as well as adjective of number in both. Now try to understand one more, that is demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective are those words which refers or point out a special person or a special things. As for example, that boy is very tall. You are pointing towards the particular boy. That boy is very tall. The word that is demonstrative adjective. Right? These books are mine. The word these is demonstrative adjective. Those books are very interesting. The word those, it is demonstrative adjective, right? Next, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, when words like what, which, where are used to ask question, they are called interrogative adjective. As for example, what happened to them? The word is the most interrogative adjective. Whose house is this? Whose? The word whose, it is interrogative adjective. Which book is yours? Which book is yours? The word which is interrogative adjective. Right? I think it is not very difficult to understand, but you have to listen the complete video, complete lesson about adjective. Right? Thank you very much. I wish you good luck.